Well, hello everyone. My name is Jay. Thank you so much for joining me on today's lesson where I have the opportunity to help you to speak better English and English more fluently. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. So on today's lesson, we're going to learn about the phrase, hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. So let's get into today's lesson. Hit the nail on the head is a phrase that means to confirm a correct or precise answer. So when someone says something to you and the answer they give you is exactly right, is correct, is precise, it's on the money, you would say they hit the nail on the head. So as usual, let's look at some examples that I have that you could use to speak in English, hit the nail on the head, or to help you to better understand that common phrase. Our first example, she hit the nail on the head when she described my sister. She hit the nail on the head when she described my sister. So if I was in a conversation with someone and they asked me about my sister, or I asked them and we were talking about my sister some kind of way, and they would say, she's tall, right? She has pretty teeth, right? She's smart. She lives in Florida, right? And they just kept naming all of these attributes about my sister, and they were correct. I would say, you hit the nail on the head. You hit the nail on the head. So let's look at another example of how you could use this phrase. The preacher hit the nail on the head. So let's say you were listening to a preacher and the message that the preacher was giving, it was right. You agreed with it and you were sitting there like, wow, they are talking about my life, or they're talking about my situation. That preacher hit the nail on the head. Okay, so what they were saying was correct, precise, or exactly right. Let's look at our last example for this phrase, hit the nail on the head. He hit the nail on the head when he said, your team needs a new coach. So the person was talking about a sports team and they knew that a new coach would make that team better. And so the person said, you hit the nail on the head. We need a new coach. Hit the nail on the head. That's a common phrase that you can use and you practice, or you should practice using, and get more familiar with it. Well, leave me a comment down in the comment section. I've been trying to answer all of the comments that people have been leaving, and thank you so much to all of our subscribers and that have been leaving some great comments and answers to the questions. How would you use hit the nail on the head in a sentence? Okay, leave a comment down in the comment section and let's interact. Well, with that being said, I want to say thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I really hope that you learned something. If you did, please give me a like, as well as sharing this video with someone else. And if you're not a subscriber, please take just a half a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. And every time I release a video, hopefully YouTube will notify you. Well, I'm getting out of here for today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to watch some of my other videos here on the channel. Have a wonderful day, and may God bless you.